ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವಕ್ಷ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ವ. ಇವತ್ತು ವಕ್ಷ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019ರ ಮುಂದುವರಿದ ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮಾಹೆ ಮತ್ತು ಐಟಿಸಿ ಸಂಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತವರು ಉನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಡೇಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಯ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
I shall now request Dr. Swaroop Sinha, Principal ITCHMI, to do the honors. Mr. Keith and Mr. Parithosh are requested to accompany the awardees for their performance in the second year BHM. Ms. K. Bakshi secures first rank on the basis of CGPA and tops her class in the subject Hospitality Operation Skills. She receives ITC scholarship. Ms. Shreya Dilesh has obtained the second rank on the basis of CGPA and receives ITC scholarship. She also stood second for her performance in hospitality operation skills. Ms. Dale Ann Raskina bags ITC scholarship. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors.
May I kindly request Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Vice Chancellor Mahe, to come forward and give away the next set of awards to our students. I would like to call upon Mr. Rajiv Mishra and Mr. Narayan Prabhu to come forward with students for their performance in third year BHM. Ms. M. Mohini has obtained first rank for her performance in the third year and she gets ITC scholarship. Mr. Mihir Yashasvi Jayanti secures second rank and also gets ITC scholarship. He stood second in his class for his performance in hospitality operation skills. Mr. Amit has also bagged ITC scholarship and topped his class for his performance in the subject hospitality operation skills. Ms. Shunaina Chetri has received ITC scholarship. Thank you, Mr. Rajiv and Mr. Narayan. I request Dr. Vinod Bhatt to continue to do the honors.
Moving on to the fourth year BHM, I would like to call upon Mrs. Setu and Dr. Vidya to present graduates for their performance in fourth year BHM. Mr. Saumya Kapoor backs Dr. TMA Pai Gold Medal for his performance over the 4 years. He secured first rank in the fourth year BHM based on CGPA. He backs the award for overall excellence in hospitality operations, topped his class in the subject Resorts and Wellness Management, Organizational Behavior and International Human Resources Management, Strategic Hospitality Management, Ethics in Business Management, and Dissertation. He has also earned ITC scholarship. Mr. Rachit Asit Shah has secured ITC scholarship. Mr. Harshit secures first position in entrepreneurship management. We have his brother, Mr. Pushpit, to receive the prize. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honors.
Let us move on to the special awards. Mrs. D. Satyavati Prize for the Best Outgoing Student from the Bachelor of Culinary Arts program is instituted by Mrs. Savita Shastri and Dr. Prabhakar Shastri. May I request Chef Arup to escort Dr. Shastri and Madam Savita Shastri to the dais to give away the award. Dr. Shastri is a visiting faculty at Department of Culinary Arts. The award commemorates the deep desire of his mother to encourage education, especially among women. The award carries a cash prize of Rs 25,000 and a certificate. This year, the award goes to Ms. Sanjana Sridhar. I request Chef Dayanand to accompany the awardee. Thank you, Madam and Sir.
Ricky Victor D'Souza Memorial Award. May I request Mr. Bhattacharya to escort Mr. Archie D'Souza, Ricky's uncle, to the stage to give away the prize. The gold medal is given for overall excellence in food and beverage production, and it is backed by Mr. Saumya Kapoor. I request Mr. Raghavendra to accompany. Thank you, sir.
Professor Trevor Deva's cash prize. Mr. Harshit is the recipient of Professor Trevor Deva's cash prize for securing highest marks in the subject entrepreneurship. I request Mr. Bhattacharya to escort Ms. Olga Narona to the dais and give away the prize. Harshit's brother Pushpit will receive his award. I request Chef Manoj to bring him to the dais.
Thank you, madam. May I request Mr. Rahul Shedvalkar and Mr. Ajit Kumar to escort Mr. Kovid Sharma, HR Head, ITC Fortune Hotels, for giving the next set of house awards. College has been divided into 4 houses in order to facilitate healthy competition among students. Rolling trophy is awarded to the houses who do well in academics, sports, and cultural activities. This year, the rolling trophy for the best house in academics is backed by the students of Maurya. I request the Captain Zuveria and Vice Captain Rajdeep Singh of the Maurya House to come forward to receive the trophy. The best house in sports also goes to the House of Mauryas. Heartiest congratulations to the students of Maurya. Keep up the good work. I now request the Rajputana Captain Amit and Vice Captain Karni Patel to receive the rolling trophy for being the best house in cultural activities. Thank you, sirs.
I kindly request Mr. Limil Herbert, Executive Coach, Counselor and Hospitality Trainer and former Principal WGSHA, to please come to the stage to give the next set of awards for Best Sportsperson Male and Female. And I call upon Chef Sudhakar and Chef Manoj to escort them. The award for the Best Sportsperson Male is backed by Ishwar Ojha for his contributions over the 4 years. The Best Sportsperson Female is backed by none other than Sanjana Sridhar for her contributions over the 3 years. WGSHA has always taken an active initiative in sports and have had various successful accomplishments in this field. Hence, for the first time, WGSHA proudly presents the WGSHA Premier League, a tennis ball cricket tournament to be held on 9th February in MIT grounds. Now, I would like to call up on the teams and their respective captains. Taj, Hurricanes; Marriott, Strikers; Leela, Renegades; Hilton, Gladiators; Accor, Scotches; Oberoi, Dynamites; Hyatt, Blasters; ITC, Victorians. I request the faculty team captain, Chef Thiru, to come to the stage. Thank you, Mr. Herbert, for doing the honors. Thank you, chefs.
May I request Madam Vasanthi Pai to join us on the dais to award the next set of prizes. I request Mrs. Meenakshi Garg to accompany her. I humbly request Mr. Sanjay Bose also to join us here and Chef Thiru to kindly escort him. It's our pleasure to recognize the best outgoing student chosen based on merit and the feedback from faculty members. It's my honor to announce the best outgoing student of BHM for the year 2014-18. This award is based on the student's overall contribution towards cultural, sports, and extracurricular activities besides good academic performance. And the award goes to Ms. Seema Mirza. Ladies and gentlemen, she deserves a big round of applause. Moving on, the best outgoing student from Baka for the year 2015-18 is none other than Mr. Venkatesh Lella. I request his brother, Mr. Srinivas Lella, to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, continue to shower your blessings. Chef Vikas Khanna Rolling Trophy for the Best All-Round Chef Student, awarded by Vikas Khanna Hospitality Group, is backed by Ms. Sanjana Sridhar. She also bags the award for being the university topper for her overall performance in the 3 years and obtained first rank in BA Culinary Arts.
The Hyatt Student Prize 2018 is an international hospitality competition that takes place each year in Paris, France. Mohini Mohandas of WGSHA won the Air France's Crush Award at the competition for portraying the qualities and aptitude that best fit the company's ideals. She receives a certificate and a trophy. Thank you, madam and sirs.
May I invite Mr. Rajan Padukone, Group President MEMG, to come forward to give the next award. I request Mr. Raghavendra to escort him to the stage.
ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಲವು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರಗಳು ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ. ವಕ್ಷ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019 ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಈ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Manipal Academy of Higher Education has instituted Good Teachers Award based on anonymous objective feedback from students. This year, the award is backed by Chef Manish TK and Mrs. Meenakshi Garg. Thank you, sir.
It is the policy and goal of the Government of India to develop a culture of entrepreneurial thinking among the students. Welcome Group Entrepreneurship Development Cell has been constituted for promotion of entrepreneurship in hospitality, tourism, culinary arts, and nutrition in the country. I request our Principal Chef Thiru and Mrs. Setu, Coordinator, Welcome Group Entrepreneurship Development Cell, to escort Mr. Sanjay Bose, Vice Chancellor Dr. Vinod Bhatt, to the dais for the inauguration of the website of Welcome Group Entrepreneurship Development Cell. In this background, a gourmet store, classic cafe, a student-run restaurant, and Ministry of Bakery are being launched as a novel initiative. Dignitaries on the dais have formally declared the website open and launched the products which are creations of our F&B departments.
I would now like to invite our Principal, Chef Thiru, to introduce our Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Bose, Executive Vice President, Human Resources and Learning and Development, Hotel Division of ITC Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce the Chief Guest of this evening, Mr. Sanjay Bose, Executive Vice President, Human Resources, ITC Hotels. On behalf of Team WGSHA, I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Bose and thank him for his gracious presence. Mr. Sanjay Bose is a consummate HR professional with close to 2.5 decades of experience and currently heads HR for ITC Hotels, one of the largest hotel chains in India. In his current role, he is responsible for all people aspects of business and presently driving the change and transformation agenda for HR in ITC Hotels. He started his career in 1995 with Taj Group of Hotels as a management trainee and head global HR operations spanning 12 countries, include the United States, United Kingdom, and South Africa. At various points of his career, he has been responsible for talent acquisition, employee relations, HR automations, rewards, employee engagement, and performance management, among others. He also has in-depth experience in organization restructure, mergers and acquisition, HR technology, assessment and development centers. Mr. Bose has an MBA in HR from Xavier Institute of Social Services, Ranchi, and has completed his Advanced General Management program from IIM Bangalore and Advanced Leadership program from Stephen Roche School of Business Management, University of Michigan. He is proficient in the use of Hogan assessment, targeted selection by DDI, Q12 by Gallup, and other HR tools. Mr. Bose has served on various professional and academic bodies and currently is on the Confederation of Indian Industry National Committees of Industrial Relations and Skill Development. For his contribution to HR, he has been recognized by various professional bodies, the most recent being the CHRO of the Year Award by Business World. I request Mr. Bose to please to come on stage to address the gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Sanjay Bose.
Good evening, respected Mrs. Pai, dignitaries, faculty members, parents, guardians, and my dear students. You know, it gives me immense pleasure to be here today. Part of the reason being that this is such a special occasion for you, but also the other part being that this is my first trip to Manipal, the city of learning. You know, civilizations die if learning stops. So I think what this city is doing for us as a country, as a civilization, is immense, and I humbly acknowledge that. 50 years of a partnership with ITC and MAHE. What are we trying to build here? There are more than 1,000 hotel management institutions in India today, all of them competing to produce the best hospitality professionals. So when a company like ITC joins hands with the vision and the purpose of MAHE, what do we get? We get an expertise which is beyond classroom. We get an expertise which comes directly from the third largest company in India. What we try and build here, ladies and gentlemen, especially parents and guardians for you here, is not the best hospitality professionals. Of course, they are going to be best at what they do. We ensure that they get the requisite technical skills. Of course, they are going to be exposed to the best hotels as part of their educational curriculum. The faculty doesn't leave any stone unturned in giving them the best. However, what we strive to do is much more than that. We try to ignite passion in them. When they pass out from here, we try and ensure that they do not pass out as hospitality professionals, but they pass out as passionate hoteliers. More than that, ITC today in India is unparalleled for its corporate values. I think what we bring to the table here is not just hospitality professionals who are technically proficient, who are exposed to the best in their industry. What we do over a period of years when your children come to study here is to develop good human beings. I think that is the purpose that the ITC MAHE partnerships serves here at WGSHA. And if we achieve even a fraction of that, of churning out good human beings, I think our work here is done. Having said that, we will keep making every effort to find good students with values, provide them with the technical knowledge, and ensure that they go out and become the best in the world, in their own professions and also as human beings. We just saw the global rankings and the country rankings. I think I can speak with confidence that the students who are here today and the earlier batches, I don't think you are number 30 in the world or number 2 in India or whatever. I think you are number 1 as far as professionals and good human beings are concerned. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for that inspiring speech. Now I request Mr. Anish Hisaria, Student Council President, to say a few words to the students.
Good evening and a warm welcome to our respective chief guests, guests of honor, dignitaries, proud parents, faculty members, and students. I, Anish Hisaria, is privileged to deliver presidential address as the Student Council President. I am indeed grateful to all of you who have been associated with me in this journey and contributed to my success. It feels like yesterday when we had our ice-breaking session with our juniors and our first theory class. Nostalgia hits me when I see our juniors doing the same, taking up their tasks seriously and enthusiastically. Time in WGSHA is not only about academics and co-curricular activities, but most importantly, it is about unity, empathy, bonding, social values, and friendship. We are encouraged to initiate change through success or failure, and we never denied another opportunity. Our faculty members who invest in us and mold us mere amateurs to polished, responsible, and competent individuals should be assured that we always keep WGSHA flag flying high. Thank you.
Thank you, Anish. I would like to invite Mr. Rajshekhar to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all. Distinguished guests of the day, my dear colleagues, alumni, and students, it's my privilege and honor to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. We would like to thank our chief guest for this evening, Mr. Sanjay Bose, Executive Vice President, Human Resources and Learning and Development, ITC Limited, for gracing this occasion and addressing us. Thanks for your inspiring words, sir. Thanks, Madam Vasanti, for your gracious presence. We would like to thank our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Pro Vice Chancellors, Dr. Purnima Baliga, Dr. PLNG Rao, Registrar, Dr. Narayan Sahabat, for their gracious presence and active support in all our activities. Thanks, Dr. Bhatt, for your inspiring words. Thanks, Mr. Rajan Padukone, for taking time out of your busy schedule and attending this function. Thank you very much, sir. We express our sincere gratitude to our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Rohit Kohli, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. Sir, thank you very much. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Lemil Herbert, Mr. Arul Mani, Dr. Swarup Sinha, Mr. Kobi Sharma, for taking time out of their busy schedule and gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks to all the parents and for gracing this occasion. Our sincere thanks to the 29th course who, despite their busy schedule, are attending this function. We would like to express our gratitude to General Manager Fortune in Valley View, Mr. Sanjay Pant, and his team for providing us this wonderful facility and support for conducting this event. We would like to thank the various head of the institutions who have graced this occasion. Our gratitude to Mahe Administrative Service Departments, Mahe General Services, and Mahe Audiovisual Department for their timely support. We thank our media partner MTTN. We must mention our deep sense of gratitude to our beloved Principal Chef Thiru for his able guidance and support. Last but not the least, our sincere thanks to Team WGSHA, our students, faculty coordinators, and staff for their wholehearted support. Thanks one and all. Thank you.
ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸುವಂತಹ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸತ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫುಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ. WGSHA ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019 ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಝಲಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
चली जांदी है तेनू पुछना है इको ही सवाल वो दस दे कुवारियां या किसे दे तू नाल क्यों दूरों दूरों जानी है जान कट जानी है इन्हें भी नखरे तू करना सोनिए इन्हें भी नखरे तू करना सोनिए दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नहीं आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक कर दे वेट तेरी खटके
बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता।
महीने में 12 तरीके से तुझको प्यार जताऊंगा रे। लगता है अब ना तेरे बिन रह पाऊंगा रे। जनवरी में जब आएगी विंटर ऑन कर लेंगे जहाज का हीटर। फरवरी जितनी छोटी रचाई जिसमें करें हम छुपन छुपाई। चैटिंग में करने की खातिर इंटरनेट लगवाऊंगा रे।
सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू। ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर
पुष्पा
सुहागन के सर का ताज होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर हर औरत का ख्वाब होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर।
வா மாஷா அல்லாஹ்.
ஒன்னு சொல்றேன் கேட்டுக்கோ, இந்த புலி பதுங்கிதான் பாயும்.
culebra. Buenos días, arriba. ¿Qué pasa? Culebra. Tío Beta.
Music.
हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो,
तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम तो है कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम एक पे एक भरी है, सिर्फ जितने चाहे मारो। दंदन 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 दो।
डिंग डाना डिंग डाना डिंग डाना डिंग डिंग डाना डिंग डाना डिंग डाना डिंग। दिल के बोल आता ऐका महाराष्ट्राचे ढोल। आम्ही या मातीचे पुत्र आहोत, आम्ही या जागेचे राजे आहोत। आमच्या रक्तामध्ये आग आहे, आमच्या छातीमध्ये वाघ आहे, आमचं महाराष्ट्रावर प्रेम आहे। रसिकांच्या काळजाचा ठोका चुकवायला आम्ही आलो आहोत मुंबई लुटायला। दिल वालोगे दिल का करार लूटने, हमारे हैं यूपी बिहार लूटने।
हाई रेटेड गब्बरू नु मारे, नी मुंडे पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे। नी है नखरा तेरा नी, हाई रेटेड गब्बरू नु मारे। नी मुंडे पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे। वो तेरी मीठी मीठी बातें है कमाल कर गई, आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई। हाँ तेरी मीठी मीठी बातें है कमाल कर गई, आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई, आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई। दिल्ली दे किन्ने मरदे ने ते किन्ने पहला तुम्हारे हाथ नी, हाय नखरा तेरा नी, हाई रेटेड गबरू मारे, हाई नी मुंडे पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे।
भूलो बधी बात प्रेमनिया मौसम छे, अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ, प्रेमनिया मौसम छे। हो गई रात मन भूलो बधी बात प्रेमनिया मौसम छे, अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ, प्रेमनिया मौसम छे। मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां, चौगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जुए तारी बात, चौगाड़ा तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जुए तारी बात रे।
झुमका गिरा दे जो मिला ले, अगर वो नजर से नजर मिटा दे, नच के दिखा दे सबकी धड़कन भी कदम से कदम मिला दे, लहरों की चाल के जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं बेहाल बना दे, सारे दीवाने माने न देखी कोई ऐसी गौर,
झूमर भी मैं भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए, अरे झुमका भी मैं भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए, अरे मैं तो सब कुछ भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए, अनारकली डिस्को चली चली रे चली डिस्को चली, अनारकली डिस्को चली।
भाऊ जे मला माहित नाही ते सांगा, टेल मी समथिंग आय डोंट नो।
आला रे आला सिम्बा आला, नचेंगा आज राजा नचेंगा, मचेंगा मचेंगा ढोल अभी बजेंगा, दिनों दिन दाप देखो आज राजा नचेंगा, आया तेरा आया राजा नाच मेरे साथ आजा, भूल के तू बाजू वाली खिड़की लेने आया सिम्बा तेरी फिरकी, लेने आया सिम्बा तेरी फिरकी।
नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। मेरे इशारे पे तो दिनों दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन धन नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है, मुंबई हो या
तुझे नचा दूं मैं तक बिना दिन बीने पे जैसे है नाचती ना गिन आगे पीछे तेरे घूमू जैसे फूल पे करती मक्खी बिना बिन जरा तू हाथ उठा के कमरिया गोल घुमा के आजा बेबी फ्लोर पे दिल वाले से तू दिल लगा के।
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है। क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए जालिमा। जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा, जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा। दिल वाले पिया का दिल चुराए जालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो जले, दुनिया जलती है तो जले। रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे ढालमा।
ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸ್ಪಂದನ.